Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ratu Syabrina Putri with NPM 2341108. I am from Management class 23A. And in this video, I will discuss about behavior in organization. Understanding behavior in organization. Organizational behavior is the study of how individuals and groups behave within an organization and how the organization itself interacts with its environment. This study includes understanding, predicting, and controlling behavior to increase organizational effectiveness. Factor influencing behavior in organization. Individual factor. Point 1, personality. The big 5 personality dimensions influence how a person works and interacts. Point 2, attitude. A positive or negative view of work influence motivation and commitment. Point 3, motivation. Internal drive influenced by needs and motivator, such as Maslow and Herzberg theories. Point 4, emotion. Positive emotion support productivity and collaboration, while negative emotion can hinder. Next, group factor. Point 1, group norms. Unwritten rules that guide the behavior of group members. Point 2, social rules. Each individual in a group has a specific role that influence work dynamic. Point 3, communication. Effective communication fosters collaboration and speed up problem solving. Point 4, leadership. Leadership style determines the overall motivation and direction of a teamwork. Organizational structure. Hierarchy. A hierarchical structure determines how power and responsibility are divided among members of an organization. A clear hierarchy helps create efficient lines of communication, but can also create a bureaucracy if too strict. Organizational culture. Organizational culture contains the values, beliefs, and practices that an organization shares. It sets the organization identity and influence how employees behave and interact with each other. Policies and producer. Formal policies and standard operating procedures provide employees with guidance on what is expected of them in carrying out their daily tasks. They also create a consistency in the decision making. Behavioral component in organization. Point 1, attitude and job satisfaction. A positive attitude toward work encourages productivity. Job satisfaction is influenced by salary, environment, and social relationship. Point 2, work motivation. Motivation drives work behavior and can be intrinsic self-satisfaction or extrinsic incentive and rewards. Point 3, communication in organization. Effective communication support coordination and task complementation. Its form include verbal, nonverbal, formal, and informal. Point 4, group dynamic. Work groups are influenced by norms, rules, and interaction that affect organizational performance. Conflict resolution strategies. There are several strategies for resolving conflict in an organization. 1. Negotiation, a process in which the parties involved attempt to reach an agreement through open discussion. 2. Mediation, involving a third party mediator to help resolve dispute by facilitating communication between the disputing parties. 3. Arbitration. A third-party arbitrator makes a final decision after hearing arguments from both parties. The arbitrator's decision is usually binding. Organizational change and development. Organizational change needs to face the dynamic of the business environment. Approach to organizational change include strategic planning, innovation, and change management. Conclusion. Organizational behavior is a key element in organizational management that covers various aspects such as motivation, communication, organizational culture, leadership, and organizational change. A good understanding of organizational behavior will help improve the effectiveness and efficiency of the organization. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.